If you are considering opening a KOHO account, one of the first questions you probably have is simple and important. Is KOHO actually a real bank? This question matters because you are trusting a company with your money, your salary, and your daily spending. In this video, I will explain exactly what KOHO is, how it works, how safe it is, and whether it makes sense for you to open an account. Let us start with a clear and honest answer. KOHO is not a traditional bank. It does not operate like major Canadian banks such as RBC, TD, or Scotiabank. However, that does not mean KOHO is fake or unsafe. KOHO is a legitimate financial technology company, often called a fintech, that provides banking-style services through regulated partners. KOHO is a Canadian company founded to offer modern, digital-first financial services. Instead of owning a full banking license itself, KOHO partners with a federally regulated financial institution. Customer funds are held with this partner bank, which means your money is protected under Canadian financial regulations. This structure is common among digital banks and neobanks around the world. Now let us talk about safety, because this is usually the biggest concern. When you open a KOHO account, your funds are held in trust by a regulated institution. Eligible deposits are protected by the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, known as CDIC, up to the standard limit. This means that if the partner institution were to fail, your money would still be protected within those limits. From a security standpoint, KOHO also uses standard encryption, fraud monitoring, and card protection features similar to traditional banks. Next, let us look at what you actually get with a KOHO account. KOHO provides a prepaid Visa card that works for online purchases, in-store payments, and international transactions. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. The account is fully app-based, which means you manage everything from your phone. This includes checking your balance, tracking spending, freezing your card, and setting budgets. One of KOHO's main selling points is its focus on everyday spending and financial awareness. The app categorizes your transactions automatically, helping you see where your money goes each month. For many users, this is more intuitive than traditional bank apps. Fees are another major reason people consider KOHO. KOHO offers multiple plans, including a free option. The free plan typically has no monthly account fee, which is attractive if you are trying to avoid traditional bank charges. There are also paid plans that offer extra features such as higher cashback rates, lower foreign exchange fees, and credit-building tools. Whether a paid plan is worth it depends on how often you use the card and which benefits you value. A feature that stands out for many users is KOHO's credit-building option. KOHO allows eligible users to build credit history by reporting certain activity to credit bureaus. This can be useful if you are new to credit in Canada or trying to improve your credit score. It is important to understand the terms clearly, but for some people, this alone makes KOHO appealing. So who should consider KOHO? KOHO is a good fit if you want a simple, low-fee spending account, strong budgeting tools, and a modern mobile experience. It can work well as a primary spending account, or as a secondary account alongside a traditional bank. It is especially popular with students, freelancers, and people who prefer managing money digitally. On the other hand, KOHO may not be ideal if you need services like physical branches, paper checks, complex loans, or in-person financial advice. KOHO is designed for daily spending and money management, not for every possible banking need. To answer the original question clearly, KOHO is a real, legitimate financial service, but it is not a traditional bank. It operates legally in Canada, partners with regulated institutions, and offers secure, practical financial tools. If your goal is low fees, ease of use, and better control over your spending, KOHO is worth considering. If you need full-service banking with branches and a wide range of products, you may want to use KOHO alongside a traditional bank rather than replacing it entirely. Before opening any account, always review the current plans, fees, and terms to make sure they match your financial needs. When used correctly, KOHO can be a smart and reliable tool in your financial setup.